Okay, I'm going to purl another row. I go in the front, wrap it around, take it off. Oops. These needles are large. I hope you can see what I'm doing. This is a purl. I go from the back to the front, I wrap around, up and over. And I want to show you what happens when you knit a row and purl a row. So when we just knitted every row, we got ridges. When we knit a row and then purl a row and then knit a row, you get a flat pattern on the knit side. So when I'm looking at this flat pattern, I know that I need to knit this row. If I was looking on this side and I saw all the bumps, I would know that I had to purl on that side. So that kind of reminds you what to do. I wanted to show you how to knit and purl. A lot of times at the beginning of a hat, you want a ribbing so that it will stretch for you. And so you knit two and you purl two, and you just keep doing that all the way across. So let's see if I can do that with this needle. I'm going to go from the front to the back, which is a knit. 1, 2. I'm going to reverse my yarn to the front, go in from the back, and now I can do this. So I do have to swing my yarn around every time I change from a knit to a purl. There's 2 knits. I swing it around to the front. I do 2 purls. I swing it around to the back. I do 2 knits. I swing it around to the front. I do 2 purls. Now, when I do 2 purls on the front side, when I go to the back, I'm not sure you can see this, but the pattern shows me that these need to be knitted and these need to be purled. There's a bump here, that's a purl. There's no bump here, it's a knit. So if you put this down and come back an hour later, you might forget what you were supposed to do. So I'm going to knit 2, swing around, purl 2, swing around, knit 2, swing around, purl 2. Oops. Sweaters have this ribbing at the sleeves and at the waist, sometimes at the neck. Hats have that kind of a ribbing. Gloves, socks. So I'll do a couple more rows of this and you'll see the rib show up. But that's how you do a knit 2, purl 2.